So, good morning, boys. I'm not good morning. Good evening, boys and girls. So, now that I'm making this video, this is gonna be how to make a table. Okay, not V2, but like 2. So, this is like the intro, I guess. So this is the end of the intro, I guess. so this time we're gonna be learning how to make our chair look good. Yeah, it looks disgusting right now. So so first, to make it look good, we have to go into shading mode. Okay, the reason why, how we're gonna make this table look good? By applying some texture on it. I know it says texture paint, but you doesn't even apply a texture. Shading does. I don't know why, but Blender fixed the problem. Everyone's too confused. Okay, so aside from that, let's go in. Okay, now that we're in, we have, oh my god, we have this big information thing. All you need is the base color, basically. Okay, we need to set this, which usually it's like this, to this. The reason why we're gonna do that is to display the texture, display the beauty on the table. So, the way to do it is mainly just to get a texture. So what texture do you want? I guess so on the table. So I guess I just want a wood texture, but I already have a wood texture installed, so we really don't need that. So first, choose the wood texture you want, right click on it, save image as, then go to the then before that, actually go to your files, create a folder named, where is it? Okay. Where is my folder? Where was the folder? Where was the folder? Oh my god, who's Mary Mustard? Wait. Okay. Where was that thingy mabob? Oh, it was here. So guys, you should make a file named textures to store all the textures you have. I have the wood texture, ICDX for some reason, but that's my old wood texture. It's actually just a Minecraft dirt texture. I don't know why. So then once you get your folder, once you make your folder, after that you can right click the image you want, press save image as, name the image. I'm just gonna name it wood texture. And then, and then put it in your textures file. Okay, but just click the save button if you want it to save it in there. To just put it in there, press the save button. But this only works on Windows, so I don't know about your Mac users, but just choose a different tutorial. Mac users, okay? If you want to do this on Mac, just choose another tutorial. Why did I say tutorial instead of tutorial? Okay, I'm just stuttering a lot. So then once you get it, then you gotta go all the way back to it. Then you gotta, since you have the file and it has a name, then just click the properties button. This might not show up because I have a Windows 11 PC. If you have anything Windows 7 or lower, then I think you can't even install Blender. But if you can, then this is not possible. I think if you're below 7, Windows 7. But luckily, I have the latest version of Windows 10. I think I have the latest. Maybe guys, when you're watching this, there is a Windows 12, 13, I don't know what. Maybe a Windows 10 million, I don't care. But like, let's get back into the video. So now that you see the location, go to this. Now that you saw the location, which is the location of the data, just copy all of this. Just copy it. There is a reason why we made a file to actually do this easier. Just copy this and press OK. So then once you go back, you just click it. Okay, you just delete that. Okay, paste it. And you paste it. Okay, I can't find the file. Why? It's because Okay. Okay, now it works. Okay, now let's just select the wood texture that I got and put it in. I used the wood texture for another thing off camera. Like, I got some things. I made some modeling to make another chair to make this video. Okay, so then once you do that, you can select it as the base color. So then it will be the base. So now you have finally gotten a table with textures. You think this is good? Yeah, I think this is actually good. Yep. And that's it for the video. Bye!